Much of Irish history is shrouded in folklore and mystery. At Sconce Hill, an ancient fort once stood here to form what was known as the Road of the Gods. The giant sconce sits atop of Sconce Hill in the northern hills of Ireland. This area was once barren and inhospitable. Perched on the hill here was an oval, Iron Age hilltop fort. Its walls were 5 metres thick, and it said a light here could be seen as far away as Armagh. It formed a series of forts across Ireland, from Tara to Navan, and further to this idyllic and strategic vantage point here in the north. A short hike through local forests takes you to this location, and despite its historical importance, it has been long forgotten over time. Not much remains of this fort, aside from the remnants of walls on the northeastern side of the fort. The fort was originally known as Dunsethern, and bears a resemblance to its more popular counterpart located in Green and Donegal. Whilst this fort is being preserved and restored to form part of the Wild Atlantic Way, Sconce Hill remains obscured from modern times. The giant sconce is hidden away from international visitors and modern eyes, and is an enigma, almost frozen in time and hidden away from the hundreds of cars that pass daily a few hundred short meters away. However, as with many historical locations, the area is becoming deforested at a rapid pace, and despite the non-native trees being extracted for modern-day consumption, the hill will once again become exposed to showcase its prominence in the area that once played a crucial role in the Road of the Gods.